Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to make glowing liquids today. So, let's go ahead and change the render engine from Eevee to Cycles. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the default cube right here. And we want to essentially go to Quick Effects. So, we're going to go Object, Quick Effects, and then we'll have Liquid. So now, when we press the spacebar, we'll have this nice little liquid that comes in. To make this glow, as it is at the moment, because it does look like a liquid, however, we need it to glow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put let's put a plane underneath this so we can see this. So S for scale, G to bring this down to the base level of our piece. And we'll notice that when we render this, we can see that this is nice water kind of texture. So let's go to the materials. Let's click on the water. We see that we have this Class B STF right here. We want to go ahead and change this to a emission. And then we have the strength right here. You've got displacement and you've also got volume, density, all that kind of stuff. So now we have kind of this glowing kind of water texture right here. We can go ahead and change the volume to a glass. And maybe just tone down the colours just a little bit. And then take the colour for the emission. And we can change this to whatever we'd like it to be. So this is kind of great for lava as well. And we could also go into the shading tab right here. And we can give this some texture so that it has depth. So essentially what we can do is we can take the liquid domain material right here. Let's go ahead and add in, we could do, let's do Principal BSDF. And what we need is the output as well. Material output. We could do BSDSEF even into the material, and you'll notice that this changes to a random material right here. So you can go ahead and change this to say the emission again. So we've got the emission right there. And what we're going to want to do is mess around with the volume right here. So if we go with noise texture, we can go ahead and add this in. So we can go color to color. And you'll notice that this has a little bit more depth now. So we can go ahead and scroll this up just a little bit. We can also add in a color ramp. And place this in just here. So we can change this into kind of like a green goo if you wanted to. And you'll notice that there's a little bit of depth going on with that rather than just a solid color. So you can go ahead and mess around with this, see what you want to do with it, see how you want to darken it, see how you want to lighten it, edit some of these settings so you've kind of got a little bit more bump in here. This is the, I'm going to butcher this word, the lacrancy. So yeah, you've got something like that. So when we render this now, we'll have this nice glowing liquid, but we'll also have this depth that's coming through as well. So when we go back to the layouts right here, we can see if we remove the lights from the scene right here, see that we've got this nice little glow going on, this nice little depth. And if we move to a different slide right here or a different point, you can see that this reacts as such if you get it in the right place. So if we just go to this render right here, we can see how the liquid kind of reacts. We can see that it changes as it moves. So that's the tutorial for today. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.